my channel. Today's video is about all the art supplies I use while drawing my mandala. So these are all the art supplies I have which I use to make my mandala. So let's talk about them one by one. The very first thing you will need is a pencil. So this is a pencil I mostly use. It has an eraser at the back. It helps me erase minute errors in my mandala very finely, and any pencil can work. So this is the very first thing. The next, you will need a compass. I hope it's a very common thing, for drawing the circles, your petals or your grid, you need a compass. A small pencil inside compass. You can place a pen also. So it's very essential for you to have a compass. The next comes a ruler or a scale. I have this long 30 centimeter scale made of steel. It's very sturdy. The next, you will need a good quality protector for your angles. It comes in a full circle also. I have this one, but mostly if you have seen all my videos, I use my compass for drawing my mandala grid. And next, you will need an eraser for removing errors from your drawing. Another thing you will need is a good sketchbook or drawing sheets. I used a sketchbook. It has thick papers, as you can see. Also, there are no noticeable impressions of my drawing on the back of the page. So I like this drawing book very much. You can use any drawing book or a drawing sheet. So these are the very basic foundation of drawing a mandala. But to have a more intricate mandala, you need pens, so that you have a very beautiful, colorful or a black and white mandala. So I will go through all the pens I have now, which is essential for making a fine line drawing. When I first started drawing my mandala, these were the very first set of drawing pens I used. This is NASA or NASA. I don't know the correct pronunciation. I will put a link in the description. You can check it out. These are 10 sets of pens. You can see the numbering 321.8 BR, and here the numbering has vanished because I've used it so much. There were numbering of 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2 and 0.1. It's also there how fine the pens are. You can see on the display here. So these are my first fine liner pens. These were good, I will say. The rest pens BR 0.8, 1, 2 and 3 are for calligraphy. If you love to write your cards or your gifts and all, you can use these pens. These are very good. So these pens were very durable, very fine, and as it says, like 0.1 is the finest. The tip is very fine here, and 0.8 was the broadest of the tips. So I will show you some of the drawings I made using these pens, so you can check out how it looks. So these were the very first pens I used. So these patterns I made using these pens. And also I made this wolf full page drawing. I love this. So the next set of pens are my favorite fine liner pens I used. These are Pigment Micron 6 fine liner pens. They come in different of tip sizes. You can see it is displayed here: 0.2, 0.25 mm, 0.30, 0.35, 0.45 and 0.50 mm. So these are very fine, very smudge proof, I would say, and very durable also. So yeah, I can show you one. So you can see these are new and the numbers are not faded yet. the black pigment is very nice. I love the finesse which comes after drawing from these pens. So a quick tip, which size of fine liner pen you will use for drawing a mandala. I like to draw my borders with a comparatively larger tip, and the intricate design inside them with a more finer tip. Like if I draw the border with 03 pen, then I will use a 02 or 01 pen for drawing the intricate patterns inside it. So yeah, the mandala circle, the petals you can draw with the thicker tip like 03 or 05, whatever floats your boat. And for the finer ones, for the finer intricate details inside the petals, you can use 02 or 01, so that you can see a difference in your drawing and you will have a very complete, a very intricate mandala drawing with varying tip sizes. So these are my favorite pigment liners. I use them very often. If you have seen my recent videos, all the drawings are made using these fine liner pens. I will show you some of my drawings using these pens now. So this is the drawing I'm talking about, which I made using these pigment liners. This is a beautiful flower of life mandala drawing. And also I want to show you this drawing, which is a gold and black mandala. The intricate patterns which you can see are made using these fine liner pens. Also there is some gold here which I'll be talking about soon. So let's move on to the next one. Now after all the black and white, let's bring some color. So these are the 4 pens. It's from Stabio. They are fine liner colored pens, 0,4 or 0.4 tip size. I have a purple one, a green one, it's a turquoise, a pink one and a green one. Okay, so I like these 4. It comes in a variety of colors. There are reds, there are blues, there are oranges. Let's see some of the drawings I made using these 4 pens. So this is a Taurus mandala. I've used 3 of my pens here, the pink, the green and the purple one, which surprisingly seems like a blue one, but it's okay. I love this drawing. This is a Taurus mandala. There's a tutorial video of this drawing on my channel if you want to see. There's another half mandala drawing which I liked. It's made by this turquoise pen. I love this color very much, seriously. And I made some more half mandalas like this. I have one in this I'm making. This is currently work in progress. And the next one is in pink. I like the pink one also. So which one you like, please let me know in the comment section. Now let's see what else I have got in my stationery. So I have another set of color pens. These were very cheap, but they were not so durable and I didn't like the pigment also. So they come in variety of colors like black, red, blue, purple, pink. And this is a drawing I made using these pens. Overall, I didn't like them very much. The pigment was not so good and they were not so durable. They didn't even last for a month. So I would not recommend these pens to you. Now let's move on to some gold and silver pens I have. The first one is this. It's from Staedtler metallic pen. It has some of a broader tip. I use this for coloring my mandala. If I want to color something in gold, this is the best pen I have for it. I will show you some of my drawings. Here is one, as you can see. All the gold is filled with this pen only. I hope you remember this drawing I've shown you previously. The gold filled here is done using this pen, this metallic gold pen. So yeah, these are the 2 drawings I made using this pen. Now moving on to some silver pen. For my silver pen I use from Signo Uniball broad tip pen. I can show you the tip. It's not very fine. It's like a ballpoint pen tip, but it's very nice. I love the quality of this pen. It comes in white, it comes in gold, and this is the silver version. So I will show you some of the drawings I made using this pen. So these are my two paper plate mandalas on a black background and a brown background, and I've used this Signo Uniball pen to make this beautiful flower patterns. You can see how nice it looks. So mostly I make my mandala using pens, but I also made some using pencil colors. So this is a mandala. I have filled it with pencil colors, and the pencil colors I use are these. These are from Faber-Castell, very common. I think all of you know about them. So yeah, this is it, and I will attach all the links of my supplies which I can find on Amazon, and you can check it on the description below. I really hope you like this video. Please hit like, share with your friends, comment your queries, and I will answer them gladly, and subscribe to my channel. It will help me immensely if you do this. Thanks for watching.